Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y300 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can use two apps at the same time in a single screen. To do that, simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Select the second application you want to use and you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Right now, even if your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of lock screen settings. Click on this and then disable this open control center from the lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. Right now it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top and open this notification center and control center, but there's a gesture by which you can easily open this. Tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of swipe downwards on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected to global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area like this. Then it will open your control center as well as your notification center. If you love to multitask in your smartphone, then you will like the next feature. By default this feature is enabled. The feature's name is Smart Sidebar. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. You have to swipe to the left to open this sidebar. Click on got it. As you can see, it has by default some application. You can also edit this. To edit this, simply click on this arrow, click on edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and also add your favorite application here. Now what you can do whenever you're using your smartphone, you can simply open this sidebar and open your favorite application. It will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere, and also minimize it like this. Now you can keep on using your smartphone. It will remain on the corner of your smartphone. You can also reopen it whenever you want. So you can use this smart sidebar feature to multitask in your smartphone. You can also fully customize your lock screen and make it look very cool. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of lock screen settings. Click on this and then click on custom lock screen. Here you can change the clock style. Here you can select three different styles. You can change the font of the time. You can also change the color of this. Now you can also add your name or any code here. Click on this add quick information and then click on signature. Write whatever you want and then click on OK. You can also change these quick access application on your lock screen. Simply click on this and then select your favorite application. After that, click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your lock screen and make it really cool. Now if you want to open any application in floating window, then simply open that application and then put it in recent tab. Click on this apps icon and there you will see the option of small window. Click on this, then it will open that application in floating window. Right now, whenever your phone is locked, you can long press your volume down button to turn on your flashlight and long press it again to turn it off. But you can add your favorite action or your favorite application for this action. To customize this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcuts and accessibility. There you will see the option of quick action. Click on this. By default, it has selected turn on or off flashlight. You have to select open app or you can select any of these actions. For example, selecting record audio. Now whenever my phone is locked, I can secretly long press the volume down button, then it will start recording and I will long press it again. Whenever my phone is locked, then it will turn it off. You can also easily make any clone of any application or make dual of any application. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this, then it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make a clone of that application. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Facebooks now and I can log in with two different accounts in single application. If your home screen is looking like this and you want to rearrange all these apps icon, you don't have to adjust them one by one. You can simply pinch in like this and then shake your phone little bit. then it will automatically rearrange your app's icon like this. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage in your status bar. To show that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. There you will see the option of status bar. Click on this and then click on battery style and percentage. Here you can change the style and you can also select display inside battery or outside battery for horizontal battery style, and you can see it will start showing your battery percentage in your status bar. Here in the same status bar setting, you can also enable show real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar, so you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Right now, if you long press the power button, then it will launch your voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set this power button to your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this, again select press and hold power button. By default it has selected Google Assistant. You have to select enable power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to set this as voice assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will open your power menu. If you are using 3-button navigation and if you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or you have to set gesture navigation, then follow these steps. Open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There on the top, click on system navigation. Now if you want to change the position, scroll down. Here you have different options. You can also change the icon of these 3 buttons. Now if you want to select the gesture navigation, then simply select the gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your lock screen like this. This phone have this cool looking dynamic light. Now if you want to customize this, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of dynamic light. By default this is enabled, but it is enabled only for incoming calls. You can also enable it for notification, and you can also set your favorite application for which you want to use this dynamic light. By default it has selected all apps. You can select your favorite application. Now whenever any notification will come from that application, then it will show that dynamic light. You can also enable this shake to turn on your flashlight feature. By default this feature is disabled in this smartphone. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility, click on smart motion and then click on shake to turn on the flashlight. Simply enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen or lock screen, you can simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. With the help of AI, you can also remove unnecessary object from any of your images. To do that, simply open the image you want to edit and then click on this edit button. There you will see the option of AI erase. Click on this. For example, I want to remove this rubber band from this application. Simply circle the object you want to remove and then it will automatically, as you can see, it is looking really cool and it can actually remove unnecessary object from your images. If you want to customize these sliding effects on your home screen, then simply long press on your home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Here you have different option. You can select your favorite one and after this simply come back on your home screen, then it will set that sliding effect. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next 2 features to protect your eyes. Simply open your settings and then click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black of your smartphone. So this will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these 2 features to protect your eyes if you use your phone at night a lot. You can also hide any of your application in the smartphone and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of privacy and app encryption. Simply click on this. Now you have to set your privacy password. You can set different options. Here I have selected pattern, draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security questions. After this click on next. You can also set your email ID if you want to set it. Otherwise click on this back button. Now click on app hiding. Firstly enable view hidden apps. Now select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my files. Click on don't remind me again and then click on confirm. As you can see in my app drawer, it will not show my files. Now if you want to access your hidden apps, then simply swipe up by using 2 fingers on home screen like this. Draw your privacy password, then it will show your hidden application. This phone comes with always on display feature and really cool styles as well. To customize this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of always on display. Click on this. Firstly, enable always on display. Now select always on display styles. Here you have really cool looking styles. You can select your favorite one and then click on apply. As you can see, whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that always on display feature, and this looks really cool on your lock screen. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo Y300 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.